You know I'm all about that stats. Okay, so we're going to do the Venn diagrams in combinatorics. One thing we need to talk about is notation. When you have this upside down U, and let me highlight that for you, what this says is A and B. That means whoever's in this set of the A upside down U B, or the A intersect B, they have both the characteristics of set A and set B. Let's contrast that with A union B, which I just highlighted for you, and let's circle that in red. That is OR. So if you're a member of that set, you are either in group A or you're in group B. It's possible you're in both, but you're at least in one of them. So let's take a look at a couple of problems that use this notation. Let's consider the two sets where we're going to define G as a set of people who are girls, and R the set of people who are redheaded. So let's say that we know there are 25 girls and maybe 45 redheads and 10 that are in both groups. So what we'll say here is that you're in the size of group G, so the number of girls that we have is 35, because we've got 25 girls without red hair and 10 girls with red hair. And then the set of people with red hair would be 55. And this lovely section in the middle, that is the group red and green with the upside down U. And that has the size of 10. So one other thing we need to add in here is to be able to find the size of group redhead or a girl. That would put us at 45 plus 10 plus 25, which would be Ms. Klein, what's 45 plus 10 plus 25? That would be 55 plus 25.
80.
Ms. Klein's a lot better than math than I am, ladies and gentlemen. She can do math in her head. There we go. So the set of people who are either in the redhead group or the girl group is 80. Let's take a look at the following scenario where we've got a bunch of football players, a bunch of basketball players, and then a bunch of football and basketball players. So let's draw a Venn diagram that represents this. First of all, we're going to draw a big chunk here for football players, and then a smaller chunk there that intersects of basketball players. So there are 7 that are in both. And let's title this football, basketball. So 7 are in both. That means the number of players that are in the football team but not the basketball team is 63. And the number of players that are in the basketball team but not the football team are 13. So the total number of athletes we have here are 13 plus 7 plus 63, which gives us 83 total athletes. Whenever you have a new type of combinatorics problem, you want to know how many people are this and that, this or that, always go back to a Venn diagram. And I believe there are problems in your book around chapter 13 and 14. If you need additional practice, come see me. I will come up with all sorts of problems. There's no need to worry about that. I hope you have a wonderful statistical day.